Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add friends in Dark War Survival. In Dark War Survival, adding friends is a great way to connect and coordinate with other players. Once you unlock access to the global chat, tap on a player's profile, select Add Friend to send a request. To manage your friends, go to the private chat section and tap the friend icon in the top right corner to view your friend list. From here, you can add friends directly by searching the ID or nickname, sending a request that will appear in your friend request section. Once accepted, they will be added to your friend list, allowing easier communication, sharing strategies, and coordinating in events or battles. Additionally, the game includes a blacklist feature to manage unwanted interruptions, ensuring your social experience in Dark War Survival stays positive, safe, and enjoyable at all times. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.